Today, we are talking about two powerful mitochondrial peptides that have been getting a lot of attention in the world of health, performance, and longevity, SS-31 and MOTS-c. But there's a lot of confusion on what these peptides are, how they're different, and what they can do for you. But today, we're going to provide some clarity on what makes these peptides different from one another and which one is right for you. Both of these are small peptides that work inside of our cells to improve how we produce and use energy, but they do it in very different ways. Think of your mitochondria as tiny power plants inside of every cell of your body. They take the food that you eat, the air that you breathe, and they turn them into the energy molecule ATP, which is the fuel that your body runs on. When mitochondria starts to fail due to stress, aging, or illness, everything else starts to suffer. This mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to lower energy levels, chronic fatigue, and weight gain. That's where mitochondrial peptides like SS-31 and MOTS-c come in. They're designed to restore and protect the energy system at its source. So let's start with SS-31. SS-31 is a small peptide that targets a part of the mitochondria called cardiolipin, which is a special fat molecule that helps keep the mitochondrial membrane stable and functional. But over time, oxidative stress can damage cardiolipin, which makes mitochondria less efficient and more prone to leaking free radicals. SS-31 attaches directly to cardiolipin, stabilizing it and reducing this damage. In simple terms, SS-31 acts like a shield that protects the mitochondrial engine from rust and wear. It's been studied for improving heart function, eye function, and especially in conditions linked to mitochondrial decline. Now, MOTS-c works very differently. It's actually encoded within your mitochondrial DNA, meaning that your mitochondria make it themselves. Instead of protecting the structure of the mitochondria like SS-31, MOTS-c helps regulate metabolic balance. It signals the rest of the body to improve how cells handle glucose and fat for energy. You can think of MOTS-c as a metabolic coach. It helps your body switch energy sources more efficiently, enhances exercise performance, and promotes cellular resilience during stress. Research also shows it may play a role in fat loss, insulin sensitivity, and longevity. So here's a quick breakdown. SS-31 protects the mitochondrial structure and prevents oxidative damage, while MOTS-c regulates metabolism and helps the body use energy more efficiently. SS-31 acts inside of the mitochondria, physically reinforcing its machinery, while MOTS-c acts more like a hormone, sending signals throughout the body to improve energy use. Both aim to keep your cells youthful and efficient, but one defends the hardware, SS-31, while the other one optimizes the software, MOTS-c. So whether you're looking at heart health, endurance, or overall cellular vitality, SS-31 and MOTS-c both represent an exciting frontier in mitochondrial medicine. One stabilizes your cell's power plants, the other reprograms how they run. Understanding how they differ helps us see how far peptide science has come and how much closer we are to targeting the true root of aging, mitochondrial decline. For more information, visit rejuvenateyou.io.